What's up, all you crazy box breaking, card collecting, football fans? This is Scott from LiveBoxBreaks.com. We want to be your box breaking website. Coming in live at 10 p.m. Eastern, 9 p.m. Central here in Wisconsin. This is the 2012 Topps Platinum break. Here is the roster for tonight. It is in order by eBay user ID. And here's the box for tonight. This one has 20 packs, 5 cards per pack. There's going to be 1 autograph jersey patch and 2 on-card autographs. And here we go. Alright, pack number 1, here we go. Good luck, everybody. Vikings, Jared Allen. Cowboys, Miles Austin. Packers, Jordy Nelson. And each pack will have a red parallel. It's about twice as thick as the normal card. This one going to Panthers, Cam Newton. And rookie refractor for the Colts, T.Y. Hilton. Rookie for the Texans, DeVere Posey. Falcons, Roddy White. Dolphins, Reggie Bush. Saints, Darren Sproles. And Patriots, Wes Welker. Raiders, Darren McFadden. Jets, Mark Sanchez. Falcons, Matt Ryan. Jets, Tim Tebow. And rookie for the Colts, Andrew Luck. The rookie for the Cardinals, Michael Floyd. And the first hit is going to the Denver Broncos. Rookie autograph with a jumbo patch, 2 colors, Brock Osweiler. And the Broncos tonight are going to Jay Hanke. Very nice hit. Gotta love the rookie quarterback autographs, especially with a nice patch like that. Give you one more look at that one. And this one is numbered 224 out of 250. A little bit tough to see. It's silver serial number on the silver background. There you go. Nice line of stitching. Very cool. Lions, Calvin Johnson. Bucks, Josh Freeman. Vikings, Christian Ponder. Niners, Alex Smith. And rookie refractor for the Bears, Alshon Jeffrey. Titans, Chris Johnson. Bills, Freddie Jackson. Patriots, Wes Welker. Bears, Brian Urlacher. And second hit is a rookie on card auto for the Seahawks, Jermaine Kearse. Seahawks tonight are going to Brian Nowinski. Nice hit, Brian. Didn't see a number on it. Still nice on card rookie auto. Alright, 2 hits down, 1 to go. Should still have some nice refractors though. Ravens, Joe Flacco. Eagles, LaShawn McCoy. Cowboys, DeMarco Murray. Jags, Maurice Jones Jr. And a rookie for the Niners, LaMichael James. Jets, LaDainian Tomlinson. Bucks, Vincent Jackson. Bears, Brian Urlacher. Bears, Michael Bush. And rookie refractor for the Browns, Brandon Weeden. Browns tonight going to Doodle Froggy. Raiders, Denarius Moore. Panthers, Mike Tolbert. Rams, Steven Jackson. Niners, Kennel Hunter. And rookie for the Eagles, Nick Foles. Bears, Matt Forte. Seahawks, Matt Flynn. Chargers, Phillip Rivers. Saints, Darren Sproles. And a rookie for the Panthers, Luke Kuechly. Packers, Aaron Rodgers. Jets, Sean Green. Saints, Mark Ingram. Steelers, Troy Polamalu. And the third hit is going to the Eagles. That's a Marvin McNutt on-card rookie auto. And the Eagles tonight are going to MDOS Man. Very nice. Looks like we still got about 9 packs to go. Hopefully we'll find some numbered refractors. Texans, Matt Schaub. Lions, Matthew Stafford. Chargers, Ryan Matthews. Raiders, Carson Palmer. And rookie for the Browns, Brandon Weeden. Steelers, Mike Wallace. Patriots, Rob Gronkowski. Niners, Patrick Willis. Cowboys, Miles Austin. And rookie for the Colts, T.Y. Hilton. Broncos, Peyton Manning. Bengals, Andy Dalton. Giants, Victor Cruz. Rams, Sam Bradford. And rookie refractor for the Rams, Isaiah P. Saints, Jimmy Graham. Steelers, Troy Polamalu. Cowboys, Jason Witten. Cowboys, DeMarcus Ware. Rookie for the Panthers, Joe Adams. Cardinals, Beanie Wells. Bengals, AJ Green. Panthers, Cam Newton. Falcons, Julio Jones. And rookie for the Bears, Alshon Jeffrey. Broncos, Willis McGahee. Lions, Ndamukong Suh. Niners, Michael Crabtree. Dolphins, Reggie Bush. And Dolphins rookie Lamar Miller. Giants, Eli Manning. Jets, Tim Tebow. Rookie die cut for the Colts, Kobe Fleener. Very nice. Jets, Santonio Holmes. And a rookie for the Broncos, Ronnie Hillman. Texans, Arian Foster. Vikings, Adrian Peterson. Giants, Hakeem Nicks. Vikings, Kyle Rudolph. And a rookie for the Dolphins, Michael Agnew. And the last pack of the box. Saints, Marquez Colston. Packers, Jermichael Finley. Panthers, Jonathan Stewart. Steelers, Mike Wallace. And rookie refractor for the Panthers, Joe Adams. Thanks everybody for getting in the break tonight. If you want to get in one more break tonight, I believe we still have 2 spots for the totally certified in about 50 minutes. Otherwise, we'll be back at it tomorrow night with eBay auctions. Have a good night, everybody.